Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Trends, where we dive into the fascinating world of audio technology. So today's hot topic is all about a groundbreaking library called mlx-audio. It's a TTS, STT, and STS library built on Apple's MLX framework. Now you might be wondering, what does all that jargon mean? Well, let's break it down. First off, TTS stands for text-to-speech. It's that technology that converts written text into spoken words. Imagine you're in your car, navigating, and your GPS tells you, turn left in 500 feet. That's TTS in action. And then there's STT, which is speech-to-text. Think of it as your virtual assistant transcribing your voice into text. Lastly, STS stands for speech-to-speech, which is pretty cool. It takes one voice input and outputs it in a different voice or language. Now, what makes mlx-audio special is that it efficiently analyzes speech on Apple Silicon. That's super important because Apple's silicon chips are designed to provide more power and efficiency while using less energy. So this library is designed to get the best performance out of this cutting-edge hardware, which is a win-win for developers and users alike. But, it's one thing to talk about the technical specs. It's another to think about real-world applications. Just picture a future where you're having a conversation with your smart device and it understands you perfectly, regardless of accent or dialect. That's the dream, right? And here's a thought-provoking question. How do you think enhanced speech analysis will change the way we interact with technology? Will it create more inclusive environments for people with speech impairments? Or will it open doors for new creative applications, like interactive storytelling through music and narration? And just to spice things up a bit, I love reflecting on my own experiences. I once tried out a TTS tool for a project. It was both exciting and a bit frustrating. Sometimes the intonation didn't come out quite right and it felt robotic. But with advancements like what we're seeing from mlx-audio, I'm hopeful that such tools will become more conversational and natural. As we wrap up, let's remember the power of technology to revolutionize how we listen and communicate. It's exciting to think about how innovations like mlx-audio can make our devices more intuitive and perhaps even more human-like in their responses. So to sum up, we've explored TTS, STT, and STS, learned about the efficiency of the mlx-audio library on Apple Silicon, and reflected on its potential impact on our daily interactions with technology. As you go about your day, think about how much you engage with voice technology. What if it could understand you even better? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Trends, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating intersection of technology and our lives.